Welcome to Dinaris Farm's kitchen. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. They're really simple and easy to make, and who doesn't like a great chocolate chip cookie? So let's get started. So in the bowl of my stand mixer, I'm going to add 1 cup of softened butter, just been sitting at room temp. And then to my softened butter, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of white sugar plus 2 tablespoons. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I'm just going to add my paddle attachment to my stand mixer, and we're going to let this mix until it gets a little bit lighter in color and it's nice and fluffy and mixed through. Now that that is all mixed together and whipped, we are going to add an egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're going to go ahead and mix this back up just so it's well combined. I'm going to scrape the bowl too. Don't forget to scrape the bowl. Okay, in no time at all, that whipped together. So what I've done while that was mixing is I whisked together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then all we're going to do is go ahead and toss this in. We're going to let that mix until it is just about combined where there's almost no flour left. Again, don't forget to scrape the sides of your bowl. In less than a minute, that mixer got that dough to where we need it. From here, we're going to add our chocolate chips. I like to measure this from heart. Ideally, you could put about 1 cup. If you like more chocolate chips, put more. And then I'm just going to let this beat for another like 10 to 30 seconds. So after scraping the sides and the bottom of the bowl, we're going to scrape these into little balls about a tablespoon or 2 size. And then I've already preheated my oven at 350. So I've just got my silicone mat on a baking tray. And I'm just going to take about 2 tablespoons or so, kind of wad it into a ball, and we're just going to place them on our cookie sheet. I'm just going to throw these in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. And they'll be almost not quite done, but we're going to let them rest for about 10 minutes. I'm actually just going to pull the whole silicone baking mat off and put it on the counter. And then I've got another silicone mat that I'll use for the second batch. And there you have it. Super simple and delicious chocolate chip cookies. They're always a crowd favorite. Thank you for following along. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.